All right, guys, we have Kashif here. He just finished the program and he completely sold out his first inventory with us. Killing it. So let's go dive right into it. Just tell me right now, like, how many units are you doing per day? You're averaging per day, and what's your profit per unit?
I'm doing 10 units per day, and
Mhm.
my profit is about $6.
About $6. Okay, great, great. So that's about $60 per day. You're making profit, close to
Yes.
$1,800 a month from one single product. So I love it, man. That's great passive income there for you. Now, well, actually, one more question: how long did it take for you to get this product on page one, and how many reviews do you currently have on this product?
It actually took me about a week to get to
Okay.
page one,
Mm-hmm.
and, and so far I only have 2 reviews.
Nice. Look at that. 2 reviews. He's already organically ranked on
Yes.
page one and he's doing 10 units a day. Amazing, man. So happy everything's worked out for you. Now, what I want to ask you, man, like, what was your experience with the program? Okay. And then, any
My,
advice for people?
yes, my personal experience was very good. You know, mm, like if it wasn't for your course, I would never be able to do this by myself.
Hmm.
Like learning the course, mm, like it was very good.
Cool.
Learning was easy, and finding the winning product, and Asher and you guys were like very responsive whenever I needed help. I always got the support and everything.
Cool.
And like the investment into the course, totally worth it.
Thank you, man.
So I would
Appreciate it.
definitely recommend this course to anybody who wants to learn e-commerce and who wants to get into the passive income business.
Cool. Thank you so much, Kashif. Okay. Great. Love it. So any advice for people that are thinking about, they're on the fence. They're like, I don't know, it's good enough for me. Like, I know you were just recently just there, right? I'm sure you had your doubts trying to start. Like, what's some advice for people that are looking to get started?
Yes, uh, like uh, like personally myself, I was there for so long.
Yeah.
Whether to start or no, but like fortunately I found you.
Hmm.
I signed up for your course, started it, and here I am in 10 days. um, so so just I would like to recommend to everybody, sign up for your course, and like paying for your course and put in your money is totally worth it. So
Cool.
I would definitely recommend it.
Okay, love it, man. Love it, love it. All right, so yeah, actually show us your phone right there with the sale so everybody can see, yeah, look at that right there. Boom, right? So yeah, you see that the line, he already sold out his products in about 10 days, which is great. Now he's going to restock. I'm really looking forward to see, where you take this business to now that you know what things to look for. So yeah, man, thank you so much for your time, and look forward to doing another one
No
of these with
problem.
you when you have your third, fourth, fifth product on. Sounds good? All right.
Yep, yep. Thanks.